Hello everyone, welcome to Free Tutorials India. So in today's video, I'll do the basic setup for VS Code and will also show you my project structure which I'll use for my upcoming videos. And this folder structure is basically recognized by every developer. So it will be very helpful if you use the same project structure. So let's start. To download VS Code, you just need to type VS Code. You have to visit download. Here are different options according to your system. You need to download it. So let me just tap on Mac. So as you can see, it starts downloading. So once it will download, I'll show you some basic extensions that I'm gonna use. These will be very helpful if you want to create React Native applications. And then I'll create a folder structure for you. This folder structure is very easy and is well recognized. So you can use this folder structure to structure your code very easily and effectively, so that it will be very easy for you to create an application, either Android and iOS. So once it will download, I'll show you how you can create your folder structure pretty easily. So let's wait for some time. So as you can see, it is done. Let me just open the folder. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to move it to the applications folder. Just move it. So once you move it to the application folder, it will start showing here. As you can see, VS Code is now here. So once you click it, I'll download some extensions before for doing actual setup. These extensions are really helpful for me to create a React Native project pretty easily and quickly. So just enter full screen. So you need to click here, and then you need to type React Native. You just need to install this code snippets, React Native snippets. Debugging and integration, if I'll install later. I'm just installing some simple snippets so that we can create a setup pretty easily. As you can see, these snippets are very helpful, so I just recommend you download these three snippets: first, third and fourth. So these are done. Now I also want to show you something else. Let me just open my terminal. So once I'll open my terminal, let me visit to my project that I have created. Downloads, projects, ls. So this is the project that I have created. Moneybox. Let me just do npm start. So if I click code dot, as you can see, it is not working. You always have to, go manually and open the VS Code, which is very frustrating, I think. So to run this command, you need to do something like this. You just have to open the terminal. It's command T. You need this sign, then type shell. There are two commands: shell command install. First just uninstall shell, it's done. Then again command T, then type shell. Then you need to install path. Once the path is installed, you need to close VS Code. Let me just close it, and I'll also remove it from the dock. And if I do code dot, as you can see, it starts working pretty easily. There are many developers who actually don't know about this, so it's very simple. You just need shell command for it. So you can see this is the project that I have created. Let me run my project. So I'm just doing a manual thing here. You can also use npx react native run ios, but I like this way. So once the project will start, I'll start creating a structure for my application, which is Moneybox. So let's create our folder structure. So this is the basic structure that React Natives provide. Let me just create a folder which is called src. Src is our root folder. In this root folder, we'll create multiple folders. So let's create first folder which is called assets, ASS. So in SS folder, we usually keep our images, local images. Then let me just create a folder called components. React Native is all about components. So here we will create our custom components, which we will use in our whole application. Then, then there is connectivity. We will keep our APIs here. Then there is a folder named Redux. I'll also show you how you can use Redux pretty easily. It's a bit difficult topic for many people, but the way I'll teach you, it will be very easy to understand. Then screens. Here we'll keep our designing our screens. Then navigation. It's where we keep our navigation stuff. Let's create constants. So in our application, we'll have different constants such as text size and colors. We'll keep everything in constants. Then to create some functions and use it globally, we'll use utils. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items are there. So this is a basic folder structure. Let me just create a screen and we'll start coding by creating hello world. So login.js. Oh, just delete it. I need to create a file, not a folder. Let's create a file, login.js. And if you type rnce, so as you can see, these are some snippets that you can use directly. rnce enter, and it's called hello world. And command S for save. You can also do an auto save if you want. This is the auto save functionality. You can click here, but I prefer command save. And this is app.js. This is the root of our project. So whatever you are seeing here is in app.js. Let me just clean everything which has been provided and type rnce, and here I'll type app.js. Command S. So as you can see, this is the app.js. You need to design it. Let me just show you simple designing as well. Flex 1. In this course, I'll teach you everything. So if you're not able to understand something, that's no issue. You'll gradually learn everything. Flex 1. Background color red. As you can see, background color is red. Let me just font size. This is a day is 22. As you can see, it's click here and type margin top is 100. As you can see, this is app.js. Hope you enjoyed this video and have learned something new. In the next video, I'll start by creating a splash screen. So if you want to learn how you can create a React Native application, do follow us on Free Tutorials India and press that bell icon to get the notifications of our latest video. Thank you and have a nice day.